A very good morning to everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the topic deforestation. So what is deforestation? Deforestation is the complete clearance or removal of trees from forest or from a particular area of land. Deforestation has caused ecological imbalance, but yet some people still prefers to perform this ill practice. Their main aim is to just fill their pockets. So the government has taken certain steps to reduce the effect of deforestation towards the environment. Deforestation is caused due to many reasons such as logging, industrial development, strip mining, and human activities. The main purpose of deforestation is to increase land area. Increase land area helps to set up industries, and this is due to increased population growth. As population grows, their demand also increases at the same time. So many businessmen start setting up various industries to fulfill their demands. Deforestation has many harmful effects such as soil erosion, global warming, threat to the wildlife, etc. So what is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of the upper layer of the soil. It occurs especially in those areas where trees are being cut off, and as a result wind and water can easily erode the topmost layer of the soil. Many disasters like landslide is caused due to it. If there will be no forest, the ground will be unable to hold the water from heavy rainfall, which will ultimately result in flooding. Flooding affects the life of the people and destroys or damages their property. Now we have all heard about global warming. What is it? Global warming is the rise in the temperature of the earth. One of the main reasons of global warming is deforestation. At present, the tropical rainforests are cleared at the rate of 1 hectare per second. This leads to the rise of CO2 level, which is carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. The glaciers in the Himalayas and in the other polar regions starts melting rapidly, which results in rise in sea level, thus threatening the very existence of life. Wildlife are also affected due to deforestation. Worldwide, 24% of mammals, 25% of reptiles, 12% of birds, and 30% of species are already endangered or extinct. In India, more than 10% of wild flora and fauna are on the verge of extinction, and it needs to be checked. This is how deforestation is affecting our environment. So now the question arises how we can stop or control deforestation and how an individual can put his participation towards it. The simplest way is that by giving correct information to others about it and motivating them in planting more trees. We should also encourage the practice of afforestation, which will really help us to reduce the loss of trees. At the same time, the demand of the plant product should also be increased, which will ultimately force the industries to plant more trees. This was all about deforestation, and according to me, I feel that the end of deforestation will help to conserve wildlife and protect the rights of forest communities. And I would also like to thank all the teachers to take out their time to watch this video.
A very warm welcome to everybody. My name is Akanksha Thapa, and today I am going to speak about deforestation. Deforestation is the depletion of trees and forests without planting elsewhere. There are plenty of reasons which are leading to deforestation, such as industrialization, urbanization, population explosion, natural causes, and many more. The forest cover is decreasing day by day, which is leading to several other problems such as drastic climate change, global warming, and many more. The loss of forest has not only misbalanced the ecosystem, but also it has displaced the birds and wildlife from their natural habitats who are homeless now. So, out of the many causes, one of the main cause is population explosion. It has increased the demand of food as well as the space required to live. Growing cities and industries are being set up by cutting the trees. Agricultural lands are increasing day by day, and we are also cutting down trees for our various needs such as paper, logging, firewoods, and etc. As mentioned above, there are lot of measures negatively impacting deforestation in the name of power and development. So, there are also lot of ways in which we can reduce deforestation in sake for the sake of climate and our environment. Anyone can make a difference at some level by taking certain measures on a daily basis, such as eating sustainable food, using eco friendly products, and more recycling, etc. And as humans, we should do the little that we can in order to save our planet by bringing conclusion to deforestation. This need to be done not only to protect the environment and wildlife but also to reduce natural calamities such as drought and floods that are caused due to deforestation. It is also the most effective way to control global warming. I would also like to thank to all the teachers who took out their time to watch this video.
A very good morning to Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends. A warm greetings to all of you. I, Doita Shaha, am going to share my views about the increasing problem of deforestation. Deforestation is the act of cutting down trees and forests of a particular area, which is very dangerous for our environment. It is caused due to numerous reasons, and growing population is one of it. It takes place when forest gets converted into plains and trees are cut down for the generation of woods and fuels. Forest fire and overgrazing are also the causes of deforestation. Deforestation not only affects the environment but also on animals, as they are rendered homeless due to the destruction of their natural home forest. It also affects the climatic condition. Soil erosion, drought, and floods are also the effects of deforestation. One of the dangerous effects of deforestation is the increase in the greenhouse gases. Deforestation also have a negative impact on our health. Strict laws must be enforced to curb these practices. We must do the needful to protect the forest and reduce deforestation. We must aware people about the increasing problem of deforestation and the harmful effects of it and encourage them to plant more trees. We must remember that if we plant a tree, we plant a life. If we cut a tree, we cut a life. And if we save a tree, we save a life. Thank you.